Hello everyone, I'm part of the Smart eHealth development team and I am currently working on the IHS AI clinical decision support system. Today I will give you a short demonstration of the system and explain its main features. First we have the starting screen, and when we enter we have this main menu. Here we have these sign up forms, and then we have this login window. You can select any user type according to your need. I will be logging in as a patient. Once logged in, we have the Smart Clinic dashboard, and it provides us with features such as heart disease diagnosis, brain stroke diagnosis, clinical chatbot, etc. First of all, we'll look at user dashboard. This contains patient or any user's personal information. It gives each user a unique ID, and then it also contains their medical history. Then we have heart disease diagnosis. In this tab, you can input your information according to your reports or your doctor's prescriptions, and then you can analyze heart disease risk. And in brain stroke diagnosis, you can also put information same as heart disease, and then you can analyze your stroke risk. And then we have this clinical chatbot. The main feature of this chatbot is it asks you questions about your symptoms, and then it allows you to book appointments according to your uh, availability. Then we have full diagnostic scan, and then let us look at breast cancer diagnosis. In this diagnosis, you can upload an image, ultrasound or CT scan, and it will give you breast cancer diagnosis as an output. And if we log in as a doctor, then you can use this block called search patient records. You can search, the doctor can search patient based on their unique user ID or their symptoms or disease. Let me give you an example. Now it shows the search result. Then it gives us the patient medical history. The doctor can access this, but he or she cannot change it.